No, welcome, voi sper că mă auziți. Dacă nu, asta e, no. Aveți să facem.
There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state of the art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand.
Serios?
We were hoping that you could shed some light on those.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
What? Deci opțiuni. Nu mai bine. Hai să facem noaptea 5-a. Deci, faza asta e noaptea 5-a. Tati nu se uită. Asta e noaptea 5.
Welcome back to your last day on the job.
Yes!
That is the last day of your first week. Some of the most valued qualities that we like to see in new employees are determination, fearlessness, and a genuine disregard for instinctive self-preservation.
Okay.
You've earned your 1-week bonus, which will be given to you in the form of a delightful gift basket, the cost of which will be taken out of your next paycheck. We have gift baskets containing fruit, nuts, flowers, and of course the ever-popular cash basket. Using the keypad below, please... It seems you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Exotic Butters.
Lol. Ok, așteptăm.
Please be aware that there are still 2 technicians on site today.
Okay.
Try to avoid interfering with their work if possible.
What?
Also, feel free to ask them why they are still there and encourage them to go home.
What? Bă, avem help! Avem ajutor! În sfârșit în viață, bă! Deci, o durat o grămadă de timp. Cât timp am stat noi? Hai să începem o dată, că deja... Hai să ne mișcăm.
Motion trigger, entryway vent.
Mă, dar oare... Dacă dau crawl faster mă omoară cineva? Ia să vedem. Deci avem 2 tehniciani, ia să vedem. Cine?
Let's check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage.
Ok.
Great. Now let's check on Funtime Foxy.
Bă, tocmai ai văzut un om spânzurat? Foxy, sper că tu ești normal, nu? Bro, de ce? Îți 2 oameni spânzurați!
It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium. Your task today will involve more maintenance work.
What?
Circus Baby had a rough day and is in need of repair. You will be required to reach the parts and service room by once again sneaking through Funtime Auditorium. As always, please proceed with caution.
Nu mă duc acolo. Bă! De ce erau 2 oameni spânzurați? A zis ăla că avem ajutor. Ce ajutor avem? Îs 2 oameni spânzurați. La ăla nimic pasă. Doamne. Deci, bă. Chestiile alea încă-și mișcă ochii, lol. Eu nu mă duc în ăsta. Deci eu la ăsta nu mă duc. Bă, mi-e frică să fac și clipul ăsta. Că mai ales pentru mine e 12 noaptea, boys. Pentru mine e 12 noaptea. Nu știu cât minut îs, pentru că mie nu-mi scrie ce minut îs. Cred că e minutul 5. Erau doar... Bă, a zis că îți doi tehniciani. Nu, stai, nu, de stați așa. Deci stați așa. Cine sunt ăștia doi spânzurați? Ia ca... Bă, fiți atenți. Taci. Bă, deci am găsit aici un clip în care ne arată pe ăștia doi spânzurați. Ia să ascultăm vorbele lor.
Okay, bring her over. Forward. More. Okay, stop. Set her down. Watch the step. What happened to it this time? It just seems like these things can't go a day without breaking down. Who knows? It's always the same, man. Some kind of hardware malfunction. Well, like, I have to be somewhere in 15 minutes, and this place gives me the creeps. Can we just get this over with? It's all automated. We don't have to be here for it. Just get her on the rollers and we can go.
Și asta e tot ce zic ei. Ok, să vă explic ce a zis. Deci a zis că ok, bă, mă duc.
Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent opened.